Tapos sinabi nila na gagawa daw ng parang film for the Philippine Sea. And represent ko yung mga tao na medyo aware pero not that knowledgeable sa issue. Sabi ko, gawin ko mas may malaman pa may so that's why.
Ako, I'm aware naman about West Philippine Sea and thankful ako na kinonsider ako ng kasama dito. At malaking factor here ko kasi that time, yes, kasi again, ito military gun na rin ako. Kasi that time, senegal ko na ako. So, ginawa ko na siyang military gun. So, mas madali, mas mararamdaman ko yung project, yung story.
Great. Yeah, hello. Okay.
Remember when I was hoping that I guess it's good, but it's for day actually. I say it's the one of years out. I always see that. And I mentioned it could be like middle that's say, and way out of the point. You need look. What is this driving now? I guess the name that person I'm not going to getting smashed. It's something things out by the many and what is say what earning the mark freshman. You would text me the battle someone else and part. More actually much clever than I read the only the fact that we should it is our responsibility to question and things like everything. And if we stop doing that, we start breaking the modestness.
Parang totoong buhay siya talaga. Kung ano yung nangyayari at napapanood nyo sa mga balita, yun din yung ginawa namin. So parang ang gusto kong takeaway nila is mas maging aware sila at mas mag-care sila. Hindi lang sa kung ano yung nangyayari ngayon, kundi na din sa future generations. Diba?